If you've ever needed an easy way to collect data or automate signups, Jotform is one of the simplest tools out there. Here's how to start using it. Open your browser and go to the official Jotform website. If you already have an account, log in. If not, sign up. It only takes a few seconds. Once you're in, you'll land on your My Forms page, where all your projects are stored. Click on Create Form. You'll see two options, Start from Scratch or Use a Template. If you want full creative control, go with Scratch. But if you'd rather save time, browse through Jotform's templates and pick one that matches your needs. Next, choose the layout. You can go with the classic form where all questions appear on one page, or a card form which shows one question at a time for a cleaner step-by-step experience. Now it's time to build. Click Add Form Element on the left to open your toolbox. Here you'll find everything you need, from text fields and drop-downs to checkboxes and date pickers. Just click or drag them into place and arrange them however you like. When your form looks good, head to the Settings tab. This is where you can fine-tune things. Set up notifications, apply conditions, or integrate your form with apps like Google Sheets or PayPal. Once you are ready, click Publish. You'll get a shareable link that you can copy, post on social media, or send directly to your audience. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've created, customized, and shared your first form with Jotform. It's fast, flexible, and makes data collection effortless. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple digital tools and tutorials.